Guys, hey guys, what's up? It's Giuliana and welcome back to another video. So today's video is so exciting. So for you guys who don't know, I currently have my own shop. I have an Etsy store in which I do custom labels and stickers and things like that. And I decided to invest in some more tools, and today I will be unboxing my new iPad and Apple Pencil. So I'm gonna get straight into it. I'm really excited. First out of everything, I'm going to be unboxing the actual iPad. So this is exciting. I'm gonna do it here. Here it is. It is so beautiful. Here. Let me look at the color. On camera it looks gold, but in real life it looks more like it matches my hair. Or maybe it does. Who knows? Let me open it. Oh, the sun went out. It looks so cool. I'm gonna turn it on now. This is gonna be a super quick unboxing, guys. So that's loading. Let me unbox the other things that come in here. Manual, probably stickers in here. Apple Pencil. So since I got the normal iPad, this is 7th gen. I got the first generation of, honestly I don't know what it is. I got the first generation of the Apple Pencil. Oh, the smell is strong with this one.
The force is strong in this one.
Cool, so this is alright, so time to open it. So this one has a tab on the side that I already saw before. Cool. Bringing it out. Yo, it looks dope actually. Look. Ah. So I'm gonna pull off the tab. Oh, the cap came off too. So I'm guessing this is where I pair my iPad to it. I like it. Let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, so it's basically normal things, Apple Pencil. This should be the extra nib that comes with it if the normal one winds down, and this is basically the adapter, everything. And now I'm just going to set everything up. And I'll come back in a while. So I have the one app that I want to use downloaded. The pencil, I already paired it up. I put it in. All I had to do was take this off. Everything snaps into place automatically and stick it in here. I downloaded Procreate and GoodNotes. So I'm starting off with GoodNotes because I feel like I'm going to take a lot of notes on this, which I'm really excited for. Let's see if it detects my hand. It did not detect my hand. I love this so much already. So we have that. The pencil's working fine. Now I'm gonna go into Procreate and let's see if I can get some different brush pressures. Let's go here. Calligraphy brush pen. Yes. So this one, I'm gonna try to write my simple name. Love this. I already love this so much. That'll be it for today. I'm already in love with this. I approve. And that's basically it. Let me know if you guys want to see any specific videos down below. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop if you want any custom stickers or labels, or if you want any custom designs, which I'm doing those now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.